In this video, I will show you how to remove bad videos or sensitive content from your Facebook feed. Let's launch the Facebook app. There is a growing need to remove sensitive content on Facebook to create a safer and more comfortable online environment for users. With millions of people from diverse backgrounds using the platform daily, exposure to violent, graphic, or offensive material can cause distress, spread misinformation, or even incite harmful behavior. Reducing the visibility of such content helps protect younger audiences and promotes a more positive and respectful community. In the top right corner, click on the Main Menu option. In this menu, scroll down and expand the Settings and Privacy tab. From the Settings and Privacy tab, click on Settings. On the Settings page, scroll down and go to the Preferences section. In this section, click on Content Preferences. On this page, click on Sensitive Content. Now change the mode to Show Less and click on Save. A pop-up should appear informing you what will happen if you choose this option. In the pop-up, click OK. Unfortunately, this is all you can do because Facebook doesn't have an option to turn off sensitive content completely. But after doing this, you will notice significantly less sensitive content on your Facebook feed.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.